Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share how to integrate OmniSend with WordPress. To start with this, locate the name on the OmniSend dashboard page and then click on it. Choose the Connect Store option. We can find many stores options. You can your choice Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, PrestaShop. Today our topic is WordPress integration, so I can select the WordPress. Click the other site option. Once you have done that, look for the connect your store option. Paste your website URL link and click the add snip button. Once you click the add snip button, you will be able to locate the OmniSend code for integrating with WordPress. And the next step is to install the code snip plugins in the WordPress. First, open the WordPress dashboard. You can find the plugins option. In the WordPress dashboard sidebar, click on the add new plugin. To proceed, in the search bar, look for the add header and footer code. Install the WP code by clicking the install now button. The plugin can be activated after installation by clicking on the activate button. Once the plugin is installed and activated, you will be able to see it in the WordPress dashboard sidebar under the plugin section. After you have installed and activated the code snips plugin, click on it the WordPress dashboard sidebar. You will see four options: add snip button, code snip button, header and footer. Click the add new button. Scroll down, add add your custom code. Until you see the code field and paste the OmniSend account code that you previously searched for integration. Copy code and paste your WordPress. Once you have pasted the OmniSend account code, click on the Save Changes and Snip button. Click the Update button. And your plugin is updated. After you have added the code snip to your WordPress, go back to your OmniSend account and click on the Verify and Connect button to complete the integration process. After press the verification and connect button, your integration is complete. And set the brand assets, save brand assets. Now your integration of OmniSend with WordPress is complete. Thank you so much for my watching videos. If you have any questions, please comment to me. I will surely reply for you.